Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Circular saws are a versatile tool that can make precise cuts through a variety of materials, making them essential for any DIY enthusiast or professional woodworker. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 circular saws on the market, including their features and specifications, to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to check the links in the description box for more information on the products mentioned in this video. So, let's get started. Skil CR540602 Cordless Circular Saw. The Skil CR540602 Cordless Circular Saw is the perfect tool for DIY enthusiasts looking to make fast and accurate cuts through wood. With a thin curved carbide-tipped blade featuring 24 teeth, this saw is designed for clean and efficient cuts. The saw line visor helps keep the cut straight, making it easier to achieve precise cuts every time. The bevel cutting capacity ranges from 0 to 50 degrees, allowing for a wide range of angles to be cut. The PWR Core 20 lithium battery has an innovative temperature management system that keeps the battery cool and powered for longer periods of time, making it perfect for large projects. This cordless circular saw comes with a 2 ampere-hour battery and charger, ensuring you can get started on your projects right away. With a 5-year limited warranty, the Skil CR540602 Cordless Circular Saw is built to last and is a reliable addition to any DIY enthusiast toolkit. Whether you're building shelves or a new deck, this saw is the ultimate power tool to get the job done efficiently and accurately. Craftsman CMES510 Circular Saw. The Craftsman CMES510 Circular Saw is a high-performance power tool designed to tackle everyday cutting tasks with ease. The saw is equipped with a potent 15-ampere motor that runs at 5,500 revolutions per minute for swift and aggressive cutting. It comes with a 7 1/4-inch 18T carbide-tipped blade that can handle materials up to 2 inches thick. The beveling shoe can pivot up to 55 degrees for angled cuts and features detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees for ease of use. The saw's magnesium shoe construction enhances durability, while keeping the weight down for more comfortable handling. Additionally, the saw features a metal upper and lower guard for added protection and a metal rafter hook for convenient storage. The contoured over-molded handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. This circular saw also comes with a 3-year limited warranty, making it a reliable tool for any DIY or professional job. Makita 5007 mg Circular Saw. The Makita 5007 mg Magnesium Circular Saw is a highly durable and lightweight saw that delivers powerful and reliable performance for a range of cutting tasks. Weighing only 10.6 pounds, the saw is well balanced and built for job site toughness. This saw boasts a Makita-built industrial motor with a powerful 15-ampere capacity, delivering a reliable performance of 5,800 revolutions per minute and long-lasting durability. It has a large cutting capacity of up to 2/2 inches at 90 degrees and bevel capacity of 0 to 56 degrees with positive stops at 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees. The saw is also equipped with 2 built-in LED lights that illuminate the line of cut for increased accuracy. The built-in dust blower clears the line of cut for greater precision, and the blade wrench is attached to the saw for fast and convenient blade changing. The Makita 5007 mg Circular Saw is ideal for framing walls, floors, and roofs, as well as for plunge and bevel cutting. It features easy-to-read settings in oversized numbers and ruler markings, and comes with a 1-year warranty. Black+Decker BDECS 300C Circular Saw. The Black+Decker BDECS 300C Circular Saw is a powerful and efficient cutting tool suitable for most applications. Its 13-ampere motor provides the ideal amount of cutting power, while the lightweight design reduces muscle fatigue, allowing you to stay in control of your project. The saw features a laser guide that illuminates the cut line for enhanced accuracy, and the bevel adjustment allows for precise angled cuts up to 45 degrees. Swapping out the blade is effortless with the spindle lock feature, saving you time and hassle. What's more, the saw's corded design offers unlimited runtime for even the biggest jobs. The package comes with a circular saw blade, a wrench, and a 2-year limited warranty. The Black+Decker BDECS 300C Circular Saw is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile and reliable cutting tool. DEWALT DCS 570B Circular Saw. The DEWALT DCS 570B 7 1/4-inch cordless circular saw offers the power and cutting capacity of a corded saw with the convenience of cordless portability. Its brushless motor technology delivers an impressive 5,500 revolutions per minute, maintaining speed even under load, and providing 330 crosscuts in 2 4 pine with a single battery charge. The saw's 7 1/4-inch blade allows for a cutting capacity of 2 to 9 by 16 inches at 90 degrees, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. Additionally, the saw's bevel capacity of up to 57 degrees offers increased versatility and ease of use for angled cuts. This compact circular saw is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a great choice for both dyers and professionals. With a 3-year limited warranty, you can trust that this tool is built to last. Thank you for watching our video on the best circular saws. We hope that we have helped you find the right tool for your cutting needs. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews and guides on tools and equipment.